Hello kids, welcome to the virtual learning of Jeevan Senior Secondary School. Kids, today we are going to learn about uses of computer. What are the different uses? Children, we are going to learn about the different uses of computer in different fields. So let me explain you first what are the places where computers can be used. Computers can be used at homes, in shops and malls, in schools, for designing, in offices, in banks, in hospitals, at airport and at railway stations. So children, let me explain you what are the different uses of computers at different places. First is at homes. Why do we use computer at homes? For studying and playing games, for watching movies, for searching information on any topic we want, for listening music and songs. Next is in offices. Why do we use computer in offices? We use computer in offices for typing and printing documents, for keeping records of employees, for sending and receiving emails. Next is in banks. Why do we use computer in banks? We use computer in banks for maintaining the records of depositing and withdrawing money. Like bank people will get confused who has come for depositing and who has come for withdrawing money. So they take help of the computer for maintaining the record of daily transaction, who has come for depositing and who has come for withdrawing money. Next is with the help of computer we can keep details of bank accounts, and we can also use computer at ATMs. Whatever the amount we withdraw from the ATM, it is recorded with the help of computer. Children, we are going to learn about the different uses of computer in different fields. Let me at railway station and airports. Why do we use computer at railway station and airports? For booking tickets. We can maintain records of tickets booked at a railway station and airport. And for keeping records of arrival and departure of trains and flights. And we can also use computer for keeping records of all the passengers who are boarding and deboarding the trains and flights. In hospitals, why do we use computer in hospitals? We use computer in hospitals for keeping records of patients, like which patient has admitted on which date. It helps doctors to find more about diseases and their causes. And it also helps the doctors in preparing medical reports and x-rays of the patient. Next is in space research and defense. Why do we use computer here? We use computer in space research for finding more information about the space. And computer also helps the military people to make security weapons. And it also helps the space people for sending rockets into the space. Next is learning new skills. We also use computer for learning new skills, like we can learn how to drive a car or fly an aeroplane with the help of computers. We can also learn different new languages. We can also learn cooking with the help of computer, and we can learn different skills with the help of computer. Next is designing. Why do we use computer for designing? We can draw different kinds, we can design different kinds of clothes, we can design cars, we can design machines, we can design magazines, we can design newspapers, we can make animated movies and cartoons with the help of computer. Now next is role of computers in teaching and learning. Children, do you know computer is a wonderful tool which has made learning very easy and very comfortable. So let me explain you the different roles of computer in learning and teaching. First is lot of information at one click. Teachers and students can get lot of study material on any topic they want, and they can get different ideas on various activities like quiz, worksheets and many more things they can get with the help of single click. Next is better presentation. Computer help us to present our information, our ideas in a very better way, in a very presentable way. Use of audio and video. Teachers take help of audio and video to make their lesson plans very interesting and very attractive. Next is online teaching and testing. Like nowadays during lockdown, you are also learning at your places. So computer help us to learn online and help us to conduct test online and declare the result with a very short time period. Thank you, kids.